Hey. Dude, Rads Rooster's in Vietnam right now, fighting the Asians.
What the hell are you talking about, dude?
No, it's fucking cool as shit, dude.
Fuck you, pussy. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. How many can I get? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, he's got a bomb. 4. 4 down.
Fucking die! Fucking die! You aren't one of them Asians, are you?
No, I'm not one of them Asians.
Oh, I was about to kill you.
We got the winner.
I'm about to die.
Shit.
Jump up, pussy!
I've got you, motherfucker. Haymaker. 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 Hey, you stupid, ugly bastard. They've got beer over there. Go and get it. Here, get up.
You told me earlier. Fuck!
Buford, fire. Say goodbye, motherfuckers.
Did you see that back there?
Yes,
Like, shoot you, and they're like, oh, no.
that's fucked up.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the war, remember? We were just talking about it a second ago.
I don't remember any of that.
How did you already forget about that? It literally happened 5 seconds ago.
Are you driven, dude? I literally saw the blue guy jump down into a drink. Dumbass.
Nah. What the fuck?
Made by Jade and the Boot Ghost.